In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template link to edit with your customers. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to expand how you share your templates, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the entire process. Let's make sure your customers can easily access and duplicate your Notion templates. First, let's navigate over to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Notion webpage URL or simply search for it in your search engine. Once you've logged in and you're on your dashboard, we'll be ready to dive into the process. Now that you're on the Notion dashboard, it's time to find the template you want to share. Click on the template you'd like to make available to others. This could be anything from a project planner to a personal journal you've designed. Take a moment to ensure it's the right document, as you'll be sharing this exact template with your customers. Next, locate the Share button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your Notion page. Clicking this button will open up various sharing options. You'll see that by default, the setting is usually limited to only people invited. This ensures that only specific individuals can view or edit the document, but we're going to change that. Look for the option that reads Only People Invited. By selecting this option, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose Anyone on the web with link. By doing this, your template will be accessible to anyone with the link, allowing your customers to view and duplicate it without needing you to specifically invite them. Once you've adjusted these settings, you'll need to confirm your changes by clicking Publish. This will save the settings you've just configured and makes your template available publicly on the web. Remember, it's important your customers can duplicate the template, so ensure this setting is enabled before proceeding. Now, head back to the Share menu once more. You'll click Share again to access the final step. Here, you will find the option to copy link. Click on Copy Link and your unique template link will be copied to your clipboard. This is the link you'll provide to your customers to give them access. And with that, you're all set. Simply paste this link into an email, message, or any communication method you prefer to reach your customers. They can now open the link in their browser and duplicate your Notion template for their own use. It's a straightforward process, and with this link, your customers will have no trouble accessing the materials you've shared. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Sharing your Notion templates is an excellent way to collaborate and engage with your audience. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy sharing!